Okay, hi. What have we here today? And well, I woke up with a little bit of a cough this morning, and probably due to a couple of nights of the night before, where I slept very late and I did a lot of research and for my report. Um, and also I have had a bit of a thing too much of a fried food snacks that I made myself, and perhaps a bit heaty, right? So okay, I got this from my fridge, which I bought sometime back in 2018, right? 2018, 2019, when I had and came down with um, a very bad bout of flu, cough, and it lasted for about I think a month or so, right? It went to my GP and all, right? So yes, I bought and this that was sometime in December 2018 to January 2019, coupled with other things, right? Work related matters and home, trying to resolve a lot of my home issues, and with the repairs and things like that, right? So and then basically finding a cure for myself, the natural way of taking the prescribed medication. So this is an extra box that I bought back in actually in Hong Lim Square, Upper Cross Street, and this is under the Hock Hin tonic, right? Doing a little bit of a publicity, but you can get all these things in a. You're not paying me anyway, but just can get all these things from the Chinese medical shop at your nearby neighborhood in the heartlands, right? It does happen that I was in Upper Cross Street, cost about $5. It contains they call this the Fratelli. Fratelli is like a kind of Himalayan, kind of like a herb, an Asian herb, right? From the flower of the lily family. So it's been dried, and I think this is the Chuanbei, which is actually the together with it. This is the licorice, and this is the bitter and the sweet element, and this is basically the flattened orange. They're all good. They're all good for relief of cough, and they support the respiratory system, right? So I'm just gonna make this for myself, like prepare it and boil it in water. It says here it's about 500 milliliter of water. I've already put some water in the saucepan to boil. So I'm going to rinse this and then boil it. So it'll be, yeah, that's something I like to share, and I think